Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and demonstrating this Beko HomeWhiz DuoSpray model number WMY91464ST1 9 kg 1400 RPM spin freestanding washing machine. This washing machine is the Beko HomeWhiz range, which is the successor of the old HomeWhiz range, which you can see right next to it. Let's take a look at the programs and options this washing machine has to offer. Let's turn the dial to the clockwise position once, which is the cotton cycle. I'm going to demonstrate all of the options on the cotton cycle because the cotton cycle allows every option that this washing machine has. The first option is a temperature. You can select the temperature of the washing by this button. The second option is spin speed, which is 1400, 1200, 800, 600, rinse hold, and no spin. The next option is pre-wash, which does a pre-wash. The next option is steam, which helps getting rid of stains and killing 99.9% bacteria. The next option is fast or fast plus, depends on which one you want to use. You press this button once and you're in the fast cycle. You press it once more and you are in the fast plus cycle. The next option is delay start, which goes all the way from 3 hours up to 24 hours. There is the extra option right here, which is Bluetooth, where you can connect your phone with the HomeWhiz app, but sadly I cannot demonstrate it right now because I only have one phone and I'm recording with it right now. We have sub options, as you can see right here. We hold the spin button for 3 seconds and it activates Anti-Crease Plus, which rotates the clothes for 12 hours after the cycle has finished. The next sub option is Drum Clean by holding the pre-wash button for 3 seconds. This activates Drum Clean and it can be used on all of the cycles. It doesn't matter what the dial is on because it always goes into drum cleaning. The next sub option is Pet Hair Removal, which on other models is Extra Rinse, which adds pre-wash and an extra rinse to the current cycle. And the last option is Child Lock, which is quite self-explanatory. It locks the machine and you cannot change the cycles or change any options on it or start the machine or pause it. The next program is the Eco 4060, which you can select 40 degrees and 60 degrees on it. The next program is Synthetics. You can select the temperature from cold all the way to 60, and the maximum spin speed is 1200 on the cycle. The next cycle is Daily Quick, or Daily Express, or Super Express, or Express Super Short. This program had very many names throughout the years. Here you can select all the way from cold to 90. The spin speed can go up to 1400 RPM. On this cycle, you can also activate the Super Express 40-minute wash, where you have to select 30 or below and only 600 RPM. And you press Fast and Fast Plus, and you get the Super Express 40-minute cycle. The next cycle is Wool or Hand Wash, where the maximum temperature is 40 degrees and the maximum spin speed is 1200 RPM. The next cycle is Delicates, where the maximum temperature is 40 degrees and the maximum spin speed is 800 RPM. The next program is Extra Program, which can be accessed by the HomeWhiz app through your phone. It has 5 extra programs that the washing machine doesn't offer on the dial, but you can also start the normal programs through the app as well and add the options that you want. The next program is spin and drain, which goes up to 1400 RPM, which adds quite a bit of time, and it spins very, very well. The next program is rinse. It goes up to 1400 RPM and it does 1 rinse. The next program is dark care or jeans, which has a maximum temperature of 40 degrees and a maximum spin speed of 1200 RPM. This is the same as the cotton cycle, just with 1 extra rinse, so I don't quite understand why the maximum spin speed is only 1200. The next program is outdoor or sports, which has a maximum temperature of 40 degrees and a maximum spin speed of 1200 RPM. The next cycle is stain expert, which has a maximum temperature of 60 degrees and a maximum spin speed of 1400 RPM. The next cycle is hygiene plus, which goes up to 90 degrees and it goes up to 1400 RPM. This is a very, very intensive cycle and it's very, very hygienic. The next program is duvet or downwear, which has a maximum temperature of 60 degrees and a maximum spin speed of 800 RPM. And the final program is shirts, where the maximum temperature is 60 degrees and the maximum spin speed is 800 RPM. Let's take a look at the washing machine's drawer. As you can see, the drawer is not very big for a 9 kg washing machine. Let's take a look at the inside of the washing machine. This is the 9 kg Aquawave drum from Beko, which has a drum volume of 64 liters. By today's standards, that is very big for a 9 kg washing machine, because most 9 kg washing machines have a drum volume of around 50 liters. Back in the day, around 20 years ago, 50-liter drums were classified as 5 kilograms. For today's demonstration, I'm going to be using the Daily Quick program, or the Express program, or however you want to call it, at 60 degrees, and a 1400 RPM spin. I'm going to load the clothes up, which is going to be a load of towels. As you can see, the washing machine has finished the load. It is quite a bit sudsy because I overdosed, unfortunately, and I added no softener on the final rinse. This machine is a bit of a wild one. If it states 58 minutes on the display, it will do 58 minutes and it won't faff around with balancing like, for example, other brands which state 30-minute cycle, or let's say 20-minute, or rapid 20 or speed 20-minute cycle, and it takes about 57 minutes, or quick 17 wash, which takes like 1.5 hours. So I think all in all, this is a very, very good washing machine. You can see the DuoSpray doesn't really work always because the programming is a bit silly. It only uses the Duo Jet for around 5 minutes in the whole cycle, so I think it's a bit pointless. But all in all, I really like the flexibility and customizability of this washing machine, and I like that it takes 58 minutes on the 58-minute program, so it doesn't lengthen the cycle. And if I had to choose between this and some more expensive washing machines, like for example a Garnier or a Bosch, I would choose this washing machine again because it is very good for its price. Thank you for watching this review and demonstration. This is the end of this video. I hope everyone liked it, and I hope the future customers of this washing machine can see what the machine actually does. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.